In this guitar lesson, we're going to talk about playing with dynamics. And this is really going to be a game changer for you, because this is going to take your music and take your playing to that next level, to that place where it's going to now start to really resonate with people. So check this out. I just use this real simple progression as our example today. This is actually something that I've taught in a previous lesson as well. And so dynamics, what is dynamics? It's just simply the loudness or quietness of music playing, right? So it's literally the volume of how you play. And a lot of us, what we do is when we get going or when we're practicing, everything's at just one. We're so focused on the chords or the strum pattern or timing or whatever we're thinking about that we don't take into account into dynamics and how important they really are. So if I just take that same progression and do the same thing, but now just add a little dynamics. Now this isn't slowing down the music, right? We're not talking about tempo slow down or tempo going faster. We're talking about dynamics. And you can control these dynamics right here with your strumming hand, right? So you can play something loud or quiet. So you have a lot of control here in your hand, and that's really where it comes from. And I just think it just brings, you get a lot more natural harmonics coming out. You get the song resonating a little bit more. And so when you're playing, when you're practicing, this is another thing to really think about now, is adding some dynamics. It may not be written in the music. The music may not say, okay, play this part quieter or play this part louder, but you can interpret it yourself and really bring it to life a little bit. So next time you're playing, even if it's something simple, add some dynamics, make it musical. Not only are you going to think you sound better and you're going to be playing with more excitement, but trust me, anybody listening to you is going to be really notice it, because that's like that little step that's going to take you up, a little bit more to the professional side of things just by adding some dynamics. So think about that, apply that, and I look forward to hearing how this affects you. So leave a comment below and let me know, how this has affected yours, help your playing.